Today we have a new tutorial, but this time is going to be a little bit terror and horrible. So we just repainted this figure, and it's astronaut Astro. And today we're going to make him some fake blood, and so this is a technique. So first, this is the fresh. So you already have this. Everybody has this too, for food conservation and stuff. So you'll need a little. So you can get these from toys or laboratories. So it's just a little plastic. So just use it at any time. I got it from the Mars laboratory, and of course watercolors, and not aquarelle, because aquarelle is not going to get mixed pretty well with the. And of course, if you want, you can wear your gloves like I am going to do. And of course, keep away anything it looks electronic. And of course, you need these to make some drops if you want some paper and other things to mix with. Even you can do what you want. So first, you just should take your figure and cut some of this fresh. So you have to cut it some like this piece, and you have to make it and cover the whole figure with it. So I'm going to tell you later why. So actually we did this to not ruin the figure, and hopefully you can do this in any size. So we just want to start a tutorial because I think cyanoacrylates can get colored with this. So you can cut some part like this, probably. You can also use some tape for it, but it's not really bad right there. So just for a tutorial, because I know if I'm going to use this in the astronaut suicide too, it will not be clear that I used this material. So open the conserve box, choose two colors. So here we got only two red colors. We're going to pick up both colors, and I think you can use scarlet red, and here is the Christmas red. So we're going to put these together out there. So we just should open this. So you see here, it's like it's real blood. So this is what I really appreciate in that. But you see, it's so we'll make this conserve till we do our movie. So I just got a lot of dirty blood out there. It's a fake. Now hopefully we do this same technique. Just a little from this color. So it's okay, you can clear this maybe later. So it's okay if you get ruined a little bit. So now all you have to do is to take these parts, put them down, and then you'll need H2O. So H2O, you see the color. So I just have to open this. It's just a little stand for the device. So you just have to put some, and to make it with the right, you have to use this. So you can see here it's about. So see, it's like exactly in the laboratory. So that's really clear. As you can see here, and then you have to mix pretty well your blood, fake blood exactly. So here we can also take some. So we've got here this fake blood as well here. So you can mix it with 2 tools. You see, it's exactly like blood. You see? But the blood should be red, not really magenta. Oops. So I think it's not really. So you can see here, see it's missing some. Should be red near to orange or something. But here we only have red near to pink near. So that's the color that I don't want to see this. So we're just gonna add some yellow for it. And here we're going to use it because the color of plasma in the blood, I think we just studied all of this in science. So due to science, we just know all of this. So this is why the blood should be a little bit different colors. This is just to keep yourself. Oops, it just came out in my face. So Astro's fake blood here. This is not really to show you how aggressive I look, but I'm not aggressive at all. So you don't have to take it bad while making all of this fake blood. I hate making battles with others. So this blood is too now for us at the moment. You can see this is not a big quantity, but you can also add some just to clean. Mix it again. Remember, it should look exactly like blood. Look at that big drop of water. So you have to keep everything clean here. You can also add some red, and so hopefully this is going to be the end. More red, I think. So this will not be really easy, as you expect. It's the first time I do this technique, so you really have to follow this. But if you know it, I know how to make it. I didn't watch it, I just invented it my own. To not ruin the figures, we just do this. Because making the ink is going to stick there, and watercolor is a way easier to mix it. So we'll done here. So we'll just need this to see and check up if it is really good to use. So this is what the color is. Okay, so now you can start taking your figure, and you have to be sure that you are clean, not like that. So it's in here now to make it stand. So you just have to take the organ that you wanted and throw some blood on it. So this is how the blood is. You can do that. He's just clear that he's just bleeding, and some blood out there. So this is really funny. I think it's super dirty to make that. Also on his backpack. So it's going to be so clear. Here's just to show you how to make it. Even you can make more blood into any figure. I hopefully don't really want to do it. And if you want to remove this blood out there, you just have to peel this piece off. And if your figure is just ruined, just put it in the water immediately. And if you don't have water, just let it go. I just put my figure in the water, so I just want it. So this is the water and the figure is just floating out. I'm just pissed off. This is just a piece of blood you can use to any figure. And this is what we just gonna... We can also clean it pretty well. So because we're going to use this blood in next and many things. So you can also need some paper to make many different things out there. Let's get sure if the figure is not ruined or not. So this is really important because you... Sorry for this. The figure is not really ruined and I'm so happy for it. Hopefully. Like you can take just a little blood here, of course, and make it to make some organs like that. And it will be so bad, and then you can draw it in there. But this is the right technique, right? It just looks like it's real blood, but it's just fake. And then you can conserve it and let it till you're done. Don't forget to clean your laboratory and next time, because you should always keep the place so clean and everything. Do not really make people believe that's real blood, because other techniques that I tried will not really be fine in that. Figure can get ruined and everything. Well, I don't really want to lose my figures because they are so expensive for me. Not even the money, but they are really expensive. I can't lose them. They are so rare. We don't really sell many toys out there. And here we're done. Hopefully. Please clean your hands pretty well, even using some perfumes. Before touching the figure, because I didn't try anything yet with it. Okay, so this is what you get. So thank you guys for watching our fake bloods, and you can also watch this and see how the blood, and you can also mix it and shake it pretty well to get more Greek blood, fake blood out there. And clean your material pretty well, like all scientists do. And that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial again. And don't forget to use and make it step by step. And enjoy it. Enjoy your Halloween days or everything. And now goodbye.